Hi, I'm Justin Ramey, Project Manager with the Athens office of America's Home Place. Today we're located in Danielsville, Georgia, located approximately 15 minutes from Commerce, and we are looking at the footings for a Hill 4 with a modification of the master bedroom of the Hill 5. So it will include the garage with a bonus room above it, along with a master bedroom on the other side of the house. So today, my reason for visiting the site was to come out and check on the status of the footings that they had been dug and also inspected properly. The small dams to my left and my right are called bulkheads. As the slope of the lot on this lot falls from front to back, it allows us to make steps in the dirt and place that bulkhead in front of that step, enough for the concrete to pass through it, so we have a solid footing all the way around the house. The bulkheads here are constructed with fiber cement board, as you would put on a house for siding, and a small grade stake. The grade stake is the wood instrument being used on the sides of the bulkhead, holding up the fiber cement board to ensure it doesn't fall forward when we're pouring concrete. As you'll notice, the rebar around the perimeter is continuous all the way up to the opening of the garage door. It does turn back on itself, and it is continuous around the entire house, and it's all tied together on two separate strands throughout the entire house. Suspended 2 to 3 inches off the bottom of the footing. The footing is also 8 inches deep. This is done this way to allow for structural integrity of the footing, to ensure it's solid all the way through, to allow for no breaks. Depending on your location, what kind of soils you may have, you might be required to have a different type of footing. These could be burrito footings or footings with helicals. These are all very specialized footings that require an engineer's stamp on them. For more information, please visit our website at americashomeplace.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.